What you got, lady?
Araj Oblodra, trader in blood and the sanguineous arts. It is a pleasure to stand before a true soul and your pale companion. I'd like to offer my services, if you're willing.
Is she a drow? A trader in blood.
I trade in blood.
No, you, Moon.
Can be wrung from it. I'm more than happy to
Her
meet
eyeshadow's so pretty. Holy
if you'd
crap.
honor me with your blood. With one drop, I can brew a rather potent potion for you. The rest, I keep for myself.
Is that a good idea?
No idea, but it will be unique to you. Your blood essence and the Absolute's blessing intertwined. We can learn exactly what that means together. Hmm?
Oh my god, is she like coming on to me? Oh really, Lauren? I don't know, I like it. I don't care.
Just a little prick and it's all over. Close your eyes. There we are. All of your very best traits in a bottle. Use it well. Although perhaps
that was
there's
too
one
easy.
more thing we could discuss. Your friend. He's a vampire, no? Or one of their spawn, at least.
Oh, don't worry.
Don't be a monster hunter, don't be a monster hunter, don't be a monster hunter, don't be a monster hunter.
I won't bite.
Oh, I'd prefer if you did. I assume he belongs to you?
He is still wearing the dog collar. These are all funny. He does what I tell him. Oh. Will it be suspicious if I don't...
I'm sure he really believes that. How utterly adorable. Do you have a name, Spawn?
Don't talk to him like that.
But hold on.
Good. Now, Astarion. I've dreamt of being bitten by a vampire since I was a young girl.
I'm sorry. You want to be bitten?
Lexi Cat, is that you?
Blood slipping away. To
Or
dance
Lexi.
on the edge between life and death. Yes, I want it. I'll even compensate you. A potion of legendary power that forever increases the strength of the one who consumes it. It's not for sale, but it's yours if you bite me.
I will have to decline.
Excuse me? This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and you're squandering it.
I gave you my answer.
Can't you talk some sense into your obstinate
He's
charge?
angry.
I'm sorry, but could you excuse us a moment? Are you actually asking me to do this?
No!
Some potion? Because there's something wrong with her blood. I can smell it from here. It's rank.
Okay, so she is a drow.
All right. Thank you. It's still a no.
I don't trust her.
How
I don't trust her at all.
disappointing.
Thank you.
Please
I
let me buy stuff from you, though.
appreciated that.